Today my topic will be on workplace ethics and code of conduct. Well friends, if you are working in any organization, be it small or big, there are certain code of conducts and certain professional behaviors that an employer expects from their employees. So, today we will learn what these ethics are and what exactly we mean by work ethics. Well, ethics is something whether you have or you don't have. There is no gray or black, or there is nothing in between that. Ethics cannot be taught. It is something that you feel. It is a set of values centered on importance of work and manifested by determination and desire to work hard. Work ethic is a set of moral principles that an employee uses in the performance of his job. Basically, work ethic can refer to how you feel about your job or career, so it covers your attitude and behavior. It also pertains to how you do your job or the responsibilities that come attached with it. The level of respect you show your co-workers and people you come into contact with at work and how you communicate and interact with them also defines your work ethics. From the point of view of the organization, it will be to its benefit to have employees with solid work ethics because their traits and personalities will contribute to the attainment of the vision and goal of the organization. Let us understand what are these ethics. What employers value? Strong work ethic. Employers value employees who understand and possesses a willingness to work hard. In addition to working hard, it is also important to work smart. This means learning the most efficient way to complete tasks and finding ways to save time while completing daily assignments. It is also important to care about your job and complete all your jobs while maintaining a positive attitude. Dependability and responsibility. Employers value employees who come to work on time and are responsible for their actions and behavior. It is important to keep supervisors updated. If you have been assigned any job, make sure that you get back to your supervisor within that time frame. Being dependable and responsible as an employee shows your employer that you value your job and that you are responsible. Possessing a positive attitude. Employers seek employees who take the initiative and have the motivation to get the job done in a reasonable period of time. A positive attitude gets the work done and motivates others to do the same. Honesty and integrity. Employers value employees who maintain a sense of honesty and integrity. Integrity is very personal to people. People should show, rather their action and behavior should show that they have integrity and loyalty. Good relationships are built on trust. When working for an employer, they want to know that they can trust what you say and what you do. Self-motivated. Supervisors who hire self-motivated employees do themselves an immense favor. Self-motivated employees require very little direction from their supervisors. A self-motivated employee understands his or her responsibility on the job, they will do it without any prodding from others. Strong self-confidence. Self-confidence has been recognized as a key ingredient between someone who is successful and someone who is not. A self-confident person is someone who inspires others and is not afraid to ask questions on topics where they feel they need more knowledge. Professionalism. Employers value employees who exhibit professional behavior at all times. Professional behavior includes learning every aspect of a job and doing it to the best of one's ability. Professionals look, speak and dress accordingly to maintain an image of someone who takes pride in their behavior and appearance. Professionals complete high quality work and are detail oriented. Loyalty. Employers value employees they can trust and who exhibit their loyalty to the company. Never ever share the confidential data of the company with outsiders. This complete no. Make sure with your action and behavior that you are loyal. A strong work ethic is vital for achieving goals of the organization. People who possess a strong work ethics embody certain principles that guide their work behavior, leading them to produce high quality work consistently, and the output motivates them to stay on track. It is considered as a source of self-respect, satisfaction and fulfillment. Thank you.